Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows is up to date and your controller has batteries or a USB cable. Turn the controller on with the Xbox button. This powers the device and signals it is ready. If you plug in with USB-C, Windows should recognize it immediately and install drivers. If you plan to use Bluetooth, press and hold the pair button until the Xbox light flashes. This puts it into discoverable mode so your PC can find it quickly. Once the controller is discoverable, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices and choose Add Device then Bluetooth. Select the Xbox controller when it appears. Make sure drivers install. Windows Update often fetches them automatically. If not, open Device Manager, find the controller under Xbox Peripherals or Human Interface Devices, and update the driver manually. For wired connections, plug into a different USB port if detection fails. If pairing repeatedly fails, turn Bluetooth off and on or remove stale device entries to clear conflicts. You finish by testing and configuring the controller. Open the Xbox Accessories app or the game controller's control panel to verify each button, stick, trigger, and vibration. Update the controller firmware through the Xbox Accessories app and remap buttons if a game requires different inputs. Once done, make sure game profiles are selected. If things go wrong, restart your PC, try another USB cable or USB port. Reinstall the driver from Device Manager and replace batteries. This resolves most connectivity and responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.